Right guys, hold on. Right guys, we're in Huish level crossing in Somerset with Cripple 2K9. The time is 13:25 on Saturday, the 24th of July 24th of May 2025. I forgot the one date, but just hold on a moment. Oops. There we go. There it is. So it is for your hold on. Yeah, so it is for your 1629572 Sir George's, and yeah, and once again I forgot to mention on that I've already done 3 of them, because yeah, the reason why I've already, yeah, I can explain the number, but I saw it, excuse me for the moment, saw a truck coming. So what's the number again? Just hold on. Damn it, Camel. Why keep spinning up? Oh, this way. We've got. Here, there it is. We've got. This kind of looks a bit slow in that. We've got 151 118. I will do that in a minute once this train comes along. Okay, so we've got. Oh yeah, 151 118. Yeah, that's what 16572 to Parkston, or should I say Huish, and off I go. So yeah, what's it again? Yeah, I know it was fast. So what?
Careers go.
Yeah, exactly. What's it again?
This one's different. This is a GWR.
Yeah, most exactly like a GWR to be expected. Right, thank you guys. I shall see you, like I said, in next time's videos.